Hello, how's everybody today? We have no more spinners to open. They're all open. We're getting to almost to the box sets, but we have one more tube to open. It's not a spinner. It is just count down. Let's see what goodies we have in here. I have been very pleased with these sets. This set unlike these spinners, this set is actually a build. I'm not going to build it, to be quite honest. It has 90 pieces. Chainsaw Charger is the official name of the set. I am interested, as always. You can see the pieces with the figures. There's no other villains or anything else in here. There's the two figures. See you later. I'm out of here. No, I'm just kidding. But definitely the highlight of this set is this figure. You bought a whole set for one figure? Why, yes, I did. If you've watched my haul video about all this stuff, you know it was very, very cheap. There he is. Clock on the front. Nice detail on the top. On his bomb. Like I said, we're not going to build it. In fact, I'll probably just put this in my drawer. I have a bunch of just pieces, Mega Bloks pieces. Because I go for the figures. Mark Lewis, this message is for you. You've been a great sub. Really like your encouraging comments. It makes me happy, makes me want to do more videos. This figure is yours if you want it. Not only this figure. Stay tuned. Mark, I'm going to give you 2 more in the next 2 unboxings. Appreciate you and your encouraging comments. Like I said, that's a double. So that's going to be for you. So hopefully you want it. That would be cool if you want it. That's it for this video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. 3,000 sub contest coming soon. Check the Freeze Blade video. It's gonna be a big one. $100 worth of stuff. Maybe a bit more. We'll see. Y'all have a great day. Mark, have a great day. We will see you soon. Adios.